What if one lotion could moisturize your skin, help protect against bacteria, and even replace your regular soap? Sounds surprising, right? That's exactly why Dermol 500 lotion is recommended by many healthcare professionals for people with dry, itchy, and eczema-prone skin. But here's what most people don't know. Many users don't use it correctly, which means they may not get the best results. Let's find out why. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today we're talking about Dermol 500 lotion. In this video, you'll learn what it is, how it works, its benefits, how to use it properly, possible side effects, and important precautions. Let's get started. What is Dermol 500 lotion? Dermol 500 lotion is an antimicrobial emollient designed to moisturize and protect dry, irritated, and sensitive skin. Unlike regular moisturizers, it also contains antimicrobial ingredients that help reduce bacteria on the skin while keeping it hydrated. It can be used as both a daily moisturizer and a gentle soap substitute. What is it used for? Dermol 500 lotion is commonly used for dry skin, eczema dermatitis, itchy skin, sensitive skin, skin irritation caused by dryness. It helps restore the skin's natural barrier and prevents moisture loss. How does it work? Healthy skin naturally acts as a protective barrier. When the skin becomes dry or damaged, it loses moisture and becomes irritated. Dermol 500 helps lock moisture into the skin while protecting it from bacteria that may worsen skin conditions. With regular use, the skin becomes softer, smoother, and more comfortable. How to use. For best results, apply Dermol 500 generously to the affected skin several times a day or as recommended by your healthcare provider. It can also be used instead of ordinary soap during bathing or hand washing. Avoid rubbing the skin too hard. Apply gently and allow the lotion to absorb naturally. Benefits. Regular use may help relieve dryness, reduce itching, soothe irritated skin, protect the skin barrier, improve skin hydration, support eczema management. Side effects. Most people use Dermol 500 without problems. However, some may experience mild skin irritation, temporary redness, burning or stinging sensation. If irritation becomes severe or your symptoms worsen, stop using the product and consult your healthcare provider. Important safety tips for external use only. Avoid contact with the eyes. Do not use if you're allergic to any of the ingredients. Keep out of reach of children. If your skin condition doesn't improve after regular use, seek medical advice. Dermol 500 lotion is more than just a moisturizer. It's an antimicrobial emollient that helps protect, hydrate, and soothe dry, sensitive, and eczema-prone skin. When used regularly and correctly, it can become an important part of your daily skincare routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trusted medicine reviews and skincare guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.